Across the vast green mountains, many waterfalls flow gracefully like silver ribbons under the sunlight. The water rushes down from high cliffs, creating a soft mist that dances in the air and cools the surrounding forest. Each waterfall has its own beauty. Some are powerful and roaring, while others are gentle and soothing like a peaceful melody. Birds sing nearby, and the sound of flowing water blends harmoniously with nature. Together, these waterfalls form a breathtaking scene that feels both wild and magical, inviting everyone to admire their timeless beauty.